Hang on, Sloopy. Sloopy, hang on. Speaking of Sloopy, what about Snoopy? What does that even mean, Bart? Hang on. We'll figure it out. We'll figure out why Snoopy is one of the top 5 cartoon characters of all time, with, I believe, the goat being Bugs Bunny. If you, in fact, what would be the top 5? Bugs Bunny number 1. Is Bart Simpson number 2? Or is that far fetched? He has a great name. We know that. Fred Flintstone might be involved. Definitely Snoopy somewhere. Let me know top 5 cartoon characters of all time with, or at least give me your top cartoon character of all time. This is going right off the rails from the beginning. Well, it's fun. It's Friday. It is Friday, April 21st, 2023, and we've got an hour and 15 minutes left in the trading day. And I was just building a little bit of a screener over here at seekingalpha.com. And the results were 294 companies. United States, market cap of minimum of $1 billion. And then I did, as far as ratings, from hold to strong buy. Dividends, I went a little higher on the dividends just for fun, 3.2 and higher on the dividends. And here's the list that we ended up with. A couple companies that we recognize right away: Vici Properties, Valero taking on the chin all week, but still highly rated. Phillips 66, Unum Group. I keep forgetting to look at Unum. Come on, man. What is it? UNM. Look it up. Realty Income. At some point, I'm going to own some of that. Calm. I was looking at Calm. Let me write that one down too. They like to make eggs. They have a bunch of chickens. ConAgra. See what happens. I get all crazy. That wasn't even the point. You brought up Snoopy for a reason. The reason that I did is this. So then I clicked on trading to see what is red. What is currently trading red? We know Valero is, because I was looking at what puts can we sell on a Friday going into the weekend, maybe take advantage of that weekend time decay. And I've looked at MetLife before, so I thought, let's look at them again. And you know who their representative is. Who's that, Bart? It's Snoopy. MetLife, Snoopy. In fact, if we look up MetLife logo, not login, logo, I don't see Snoopy anywhere. This is that time where I wish I actually edited my videos. Oh, look, it says right there, plus Snoopy. Add Snoopy in. Oh, there he is. How cute are you with that little Woodstock? Snoopy, one of the greatest cartoon characters of all time. Anyways, so we look on the MetLife, and it has a buy rating across the board. It's down today, so we've got two things going for us with regards to selling puts. It does pay a nice dividend, 3.29% dividend yield. Over on Alpha Spread, they say it's undervalued by 43%. Hello, with an intrinsic value of $106.26, a relative value of $83.40, and a discounted cash flow value of $129.13, currently trading at $60.58. Hey, there's Snoopy again. Hang on, Sloopy. So if we look over on the Yahoo Finance, we could see, if we go to year to date, see this big valley. So it was up to 72, 73 bucks so far this year, fell all the way down to 54.30 right through here, has climbed its way up as high as 61.81 yesterday, and then today it's down to 60.49. So I wanted to look at what kind of put action can we get. We also checked, I checked on the earnings. It is coming up. So that is going to add to the volatility faux show. I don't know why they have May 3rd and May 4th listed. I'll have to figure out exactly. I don't know if do companies release their earnings do some companies release their earnings one day and then maybe do their earnings call the next? That could be it. Could very well be it. So we'll figure out exactly what that earnings date is because that will factor into this trade. And I was looking at a credit spread. Looking at this credit spread here, here is MetLife, ticker symbol MET. We sold, or we're looking to sell the $57 strike price put, okay? And then buy the 54, and that creates a potentially 30-cent credit, and we are looking at 5 contracts. Now it is showing me that 30 cents is currently a low likelihood to fill. I don't know if it'll let me do pennies. It may just be 5 centers. Let's see if it makes me round. Does it make me round it? Let's find out. Put credit spread 57/54. It allowed me to put it on the board, but right now we've got no action. We've got 0 contracts out of 5 on the MetLife 2-week trade, May 5th. $1,500 collateral. Let's replace that order and see what we have to do to put it on the board. Yes. What is MetLife doing at this very second? Trying to go up. So that's part of our problem. Trying to tick its way up. 28. $40. $40 credit on 1,500 collateral. Okay, so that filled. That brings our Fantasyland math to what? We've got $140 on 1,500 in collateral. 9.3% in 14 days, so divided by 14, and then we multiply by 365. So 243% potential annualized return based on this credit spread. So it is a put credit spread, and I will likely attempt to close that out probably before the end of next week at 50% plus profit once we get into 50% plus profit, if we do. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's the plan for Hang On Snoopy. Snoopy, hang on. Thanks for tuning in. We still have to put on our SPY 14 days to expiration trade. We'll be doing that before business closes today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.